Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Play Store Authentication Required. First thing that you can try and do to fix this issue is head over to settings on your device, scroll down to find apps, and then tap on Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play Store and try opening it again. The other thing that you can do is head over to the Google app on your device, profile icon, tap on manage your Google account, tap on your Gmail, tap on manage accounts on this device, tap on your Google account, hit remove account, restart your device, and try to log back into Google Play Store. The other thing that you can also do is head over to settings on your device and scroll down to find, and then in the search bar simply type in date and time, tap on date and time, and then manually set the date and time if it is incorrect. The other thing that you can do is head over to apps one more time, tap on Google Play Store, tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen, and then hit uninstall updates, which will restore Google Play Store to its default version that you had when you bought your phone. This should solve your problem. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.